Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's video, we will answer the question what is Hugging Face? And we will also proceed with a Hugging Face sign up in this quick video. Hugging Face is a platform and community that revolutionizes how we approach artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's like a social network for AI enthusiasts, researchers, and developers. Imagine a place where you can discover and share cutting edge AI models, collaborate with other AI enthusiasts from around the world, access powerful tools to build and experiment with AI, and learn about the latest advancement in machine learning. That is the Hugging Face in a nutshell. Hugging Face designed to make AI more accessible, collaborative, and open to everyone. Now, the next part of this video is to sign up for Hugging Face, and that is totally free. Open up any browser and type huggingface.co. On this page, if you have an account, you can go to login, but we're supposed to create a new account. Let's go ahead and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, this will ask you for the human verification. Let's go ahead and begin this. Now, at this point, we have to enter our email and the password. Click on next. Here, this is asking us to put in few optional and compulsory information. Okay, I've entered the username and full name, and there are a few other options. Those are optional like avatar, Twitter username, GitHub username, LinkedIn profile, or a home page or AI ML interest. So I'm not filling up any of these and will be proceeding with create an account. Okay, let's go ahead and click on create account. We have created an Hugging Face account, but still we need to verify our email. Quickly go to your Gmail or any email that you have used to sign up for Hugging Face. Okay, I got an email from Hugging Face here. Let's go ahead and quickly verify our Hugging Face account. So that's it about today's quick video where we have discussed what is Hugging Face and we have learned how to sign up quickly on Hugging Face. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.